Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been playing Roadside Empire, you already know how useful gems and keys are when you're expanding your businesses. But recently I started noticing people online talking about a mobile hack method that supposedly lets you add extra gems and keys to your Roadside Empire account using just your phone. According to the posts, you don't need a computer or any complicated setup, it's just a quick process and that's it. Now, whenever something like that starts trending, I'm usually a bit skeptical because most of the time these methods don't actually work the way people say they do. So instead of just assuming it was fake, I decided to try it myself and see what would really happen. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I tested and what the final result was. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. After opening the website, I used the search bar to find the Roadside Empire Gems and Keys hack. Once I opened it, the next step was selecting the device I'm playing on. I chose Android since that's what I'm using, but there was also an option available for iOS players. Then I entered my player ID, looked it over one more time to make sure everything was correct, and tapped Continue to move on. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, time for the moment of truth. I launched Roadside Empire again and went straight to check my gems and keys balance. And surprisingly, the extra resources were already there. I didn't have to restart the game or wait for anything to refresh. Everything updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. Now I'm curious if any of you have ever tried something like this before in Roadside Empire. Let me know down in the comments what your experience was. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more real tests like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.